buddy. Here again. Buddy, again. So, I know I watched all my videos with my iPod, and I noticed something. What's the difference with the computer and the iPod that I record on? Well, with the computer, like when you put on full screen, it's like the whole screen. But if you like do on the iPod, like in the middle of it, just shows the picture. That's what I just saw. So like when I turn it this way, the hell? The hell? Was the dishwasher leaking? The fuck? Why is the floor all wet? Why is everything all wet? Oh my god. What the freak? There's water everywhere by the dishwasher. Everywhere. I can't believe this dishwasher leaked. It's like the new dishwasher. Damn it. The fuck happened? Still wet. Yeah, I didn't even do a good drying job. The hell happened over there? I can feel a little bit. Wow. Really? 2011. Damn it. Let me put it sideways. Might want to look sideways on your computer. It is a Maytag. Of course I know that. It's an Energy Star program. Oh my god, this is coming off too. Look at that. That's probably the problem. Let's see. Here's the model number. The model number is MDB7749AWM1. Serial number 410608985. Can't believe. Wow. I'm dreaming a little bit. Can I be draining? I don't think. Well, that feels really good. Great. Just great. What the frick happened? I don't think it's a dishwasher. I think it was. A sink. Because the drain thing, it's a garbage disposal, and then down there's like a little hole on the side, like really close up, and that's where the dishwasher did. That's probably the problem. So, okay, bye-bye.